And today we're taking a look at how to peel garlic. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything used on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So you have your garlic head or bulb, and you want to save your nails and hand of time and garlic juice. Don't worry, today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to have your garlic ready in no time. So the easiest way to peel and open a head of garlic is to smash it. And you can do this with a mug, a jar, a pan, a knife, your hands. And the great thing about this is that it's 2 for 1, meaning that depending how hard you hit it, the cloves are gonna get soft so you can peel them easier. Because basically the main goal of peeling garlic is finding the weakness in the armor, and by creating that micro crack, it's going to make it easier to peel with your hands. And that's because the peel becomes loose from the clove of garlic. At the end, you are the Chuck Norris of your kitchen. But let's say you do it the old-fashioned way. Once we get to the garlic clove, we can once again use the knife to smash it and make a crack in the armor. And remembering that safety is the most important thing. And like that, we avoid an accident because they say it's really hard to call 911 without fingers. Now, depending on how intact you want your garlic clove is how hard you're gonna hit it. And remember, you can use a knife, a cup, a bowl, a jar to do this. If you're gonna puree your garlic, you can hit it like there's no tomorrow. But if you're gonna mince or dice it, then you wanna go at it a little bit smoother. And then basically, you're just gonna go ahead and peel the peel off. And now that you smell like garlic, we certify you as a garlic boss. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.